car in a while since the Mach 1 is down for the count. We'll take this car out since it's the car we normally play around with anyway. You like this car? It's this control arm that pushes down. It's called an anti-roll bar, and the links are set neutral, which means they're loose, so they rattle a little bit on the street. I was going to try to come up with something that made them not rattle. When you make power, it pushes down, it won't rattle, but when you're cruising, it rattles because it's loose. I wonder if James was on. I think he is. We should go do a burnout run of his house. Last time I came out with the Mach 1, I needed a phone.
Just go ahead and burn them.
Alright, you ready? Got your camera on?
Yeah. I was gonna say like my dad does, go ahead and burn them.
Alright, you ready? Got your camera on?
Yeah.
don't drop down.
Where's that?
It's a little, see if I can get it bent a little bit. It's a little plate that covers my transmission. And so after that test ride, we started hearing a bunch of noise on the car and looked under it. And that inspection plate there for the flex plate, apparently one of the bolts backed itself out and the damn inspection plate fell down, was dragging on the road. But when you don't have a jack, no damn tools with you, you ain't gonna pull over on the side of the road. So what do? You drive it home. So there it is. Which ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just makes a lot of noise. So we're gonna fix it real quick. So we'll crawl under here and we will attempt to fix it. Pretty sure I can get to it. But that's it. Yep. She's loose. Pretty loose. Might be able to back that other bolt out by hand now. Look at it. Alright. There's the bolt that's missing. There's the inspection cover. Alright, well that's done. Easy peasy.